Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Arshad. Today we can learn about shapes. Let's start with square. Square. Circle. Triangle. Rectangle. Circle. Star. And flower. Before we start, let's start from square. Okay? Now let's begin. This is called square. Okay? Square. Next one is square. Circle. Circle. And the circle is turning over, so it's a circle triangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Rectangle. Oh, square. I don't mean to do that. Two squares. Rectangle. Oh, not square again. But we did rectangle. Okay. Rectangle, then we can then here's the flower. But we have to add this. See the flower? It looks really nice. Now, let's do something else. Cube. It's called a cube. Like square. And this is a round ball. Oh, I mean that's circle. A round ball like this. Oopsie. Let's go over to cube. And I will back from cube. Cube. This is called cube, okay? Cube. Cube, then a round ball. The round ball is looks like circle, so this round ball looks like circle, but it's not actually a circle. It's a round ball, and the round balls there. The round balls this. Now at the pyramid. The pyramid is done. Now the big cube is actually look like rectangle. This cube is rectangle now, and this big round ball, and this flower. It will touch from the flowers because this is not is done now. What can we learn? Square, circle, triangle, rectangle, oval, then flower. And we can get cube, round ball, pyramid, big cube and big ball, and of course a flower. If you want more shape, just read this book. Raindrops is triangle, and this flower looks like a circle, but not circle to me. And guitar, oval, and this is rectangle. And let's move on here. Circle, 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 all the circle in the world. Now, pyramid, rectangle, pyramid, rectangle, then houses is a triangle, tree is a circle, oval, then ball is an oval. Little circles and triangle, squares, and the night is dark. Circle, but it becomes circle. Star, shape, circle. Then a computer is a rectangle. Square. Pyramids. Kites. Ovals. Cube. And that's the end. Bye bye, tata, assalamualaikum. See you again next time.